My name is Mohan Krishnan. Everyone calls me Mohan. I'm the general manager for Fischer Technology and also Fischer Instrumentation. Fischer Technology is based in Malaysia, in charge of Malaysia and Brunei operations. Fischer Instrumentation is in charge for Singapore and Indonesia operations. So there are two subsidiaries. I just happen to be looking after both of these subsidiaries. What does primarily Fischer do? We manufacture instrumentation primarily for coating measurement, coating thickness, material composition, nano indentation, and also metal testing. So these are our field of competency. And we've been manufacturing this product since 1953. All right. How is it going to affect the industry? That's perhaps a bit too early to say. But to address your first question, how is it face to face? Of course, it's exciting. We're back face to face engagement. For Fischer itself, this is our fourth show in the last 3 months.
Four shows in the
fourth show,
last-
yeah. So we are. I'm first show in Penang and naturally, but the other shows were based in Kuala Lumpur. Two big trade shows like this. One show specifically for a specific industry. So yeah, we've been rolling out, engaging customers since post COVID, and it's been exciting. And so I'm sure as things goes by and things loosen up as we see today, in terms of engagement with the industry, it will be good. The semiconductor industry, I foresee in Penang, is going to be a bit exciting. We see new investment coming in. Kudos to the state government, of course. There's big investments, big companies are coming in. So that's good. Good to see. Good for us too. Yeah. Right. In terms of normal operations, most of us are able to work remotely. We were already in that particular operation mode. For example, I can literally work anywhere around the world remotely. So we were already in that. So the only difference was we were just not allowed to go office. It did impact our operation in the sense that we couldn't ship goods to our customer for a short period of time. That's one. And number two, of course, on the customer side, I think a lot of customers were a bit more cautious in terms of investment. We sell capital goods in terms, so it becomes an asset for the company. So it's not a consumer good, as we are all here. So of course, there's a bit of cautiousness in terms of buying behavior, what we've seen last 2 years. Fortunately, we were able to, come out of it undamaged, I would say. I wouldn't say all was good and dandy, but yeah, we did survive it positively. All right. I think our primary concern was how to really support our customers during this pandemic time, because we were not the only one having challenges. Our customer side were having challenges, and since most of it are manufacturing, I think you can really realize that hey, if they don't have support from their own supply chain, it disrupts their operation. Yep. I mean, to be honest, I think a lot could be done. But again, I'm not in that shoes, so looking from outside, we always have a retrospective view. When you are in that situation at that particular moment, I think situation is different because you do not have the benefit of hindsight. I think we were a bit cautious, not just Malaysia. I think Southeast Asian countries were a bit cautious because of COVID. Based on my conversation with my colleagues and all, I think whereby I think from the European side point of view, they were a bit more open in terms of economics. So we were really cautious. So it kind of disrupted a lot of operation in Malaysia. I will talk about Malaysia itself. I mean, I think the government did what it could do at the point of time. I think a lot is beyond our control. I mean, it's very easy to critique, but I think a lot of aspects are beyond our control. You can't put a finger on when the COVID is going to end. when it's going to open up. So we had to work within this framework of uncertainty. Definitely challenges. So the few things that we had to do. I mean, we really had to be flexible. We really had to be on our toes to move short notice. So. Risk management was one of the tougher challenges, not just for us. I think everyone around the industry. Yeah. Okay, I think understanding is crucial. For example, if allow manufacturing to continue operation, but do not have allow the supply chain to continue operation, it will impact the manufacturing. For example, in our case, we actually supply equipment, and we need those equipment need to be serviced. Forget about getting new equipment, but this equipment need to be serviced. Lifetime of an equipment could be anything between 10 and 20 years. They supply a customer. So if we do not service them or we don't provide support, then those in the manufacturing sector would face some form of disruption. Right? It's like me saying that, hey, I can manufacture goods, but I'm unable to transport it out. It kind of defeats the purpose. I think where my analogy. Yeah. I think a lot more could be done, understanding the whole supply chain and make sure everything is in line with what's going to be achieved. 2022, I think with from what I see from exhibitions and what we're engaging with customers, um, I think everything is basically returning to normal. We can plan for investment. We can do proper again risk management. All right. I think the new norm would be there, and something you can't avoid. But I foresee 2022 to be a good year, more of a recovery year, recovery in comparison for the last 2 years. All right, maybe return back to probably pre-COVID, and then 2023, I think we should be getting back to normal, at least in the sense for where Malaysia is.